Salam, today I'm gonna show you how to get gift stickers without the gift app or any sticker app. So let's go to Safari. Now we want to get a new tab for our gift stickers. So let's write gift. So now we can search gift. Let's search for a thank you gift. Thank you. So we go to images. Now you see all the thank you images. They're all animated. If you see the little gift thing, you see this thank you is animated. Let's go scroll down. Here's another one with a cat jumping saying thank you. So let's search for no background so it will look like a sticker. No background. Yeah. So here we have all the no backgrounds. If you click on one, you'll see it has some white and gray squares. That means it has no background. So now I'll press it. I'll add to my photos. Let's go to photos. Here, see, it's transparent. So now let's go to messages to send it to someone. So go to photos and send it. Now we have our sticker. We didn't even have to install the gift app. So that's how you get stickers without installing any sticker app or any gift app. Thanks for watching. Bye.